I didn't quit that habit because someone told me to. I quit because it was quietly destroying my confidence, my focus, and my peace. And after 30 days, what I discovered shocked me. Let me tell you exactly what happened. Day 1 through 3, the first battle. The first 3 days felt like a war inside my head. It wasn't the habit itself, it was how automatic it had become. Bored? Open the phone. Stressed? Search something. Lonely at night? The mind knew where to go. That's when I realized the truth. I wasn't addicted to the content. I was addicted to escaping myself. And facing myself was the hardest part. Day 4 to 10. Mental fog begins to lift. The first week felt uncomfortable. My mind was irritated, restless, confused. But suddenly, around day 7, I felt a strange kind of clarity, like a fog I didn't even know existed was starting to lift. My thoughts were sharper. My emotions felt lighter. I could actually focus again. It felt like my brain was waking up after years of being overstimulated. Day 11 through 20. Energy returns. This is where everything changed. I started waking up with energy I didn't have before. My workouts felt stronger, my face looked fresher, my confidence came back, slowly but surely. Talking to people felt easier. Eye contact didn't feel uncomfortable. Even small tasks felt meaningful. It's crazy how much power you regain when you stop giving your energy to a screen every night. Day 21 through 27. Discipline activated. By the third week, something clicked. I stopped chasing cheap dopamine, and I started chasing goals. I picked up habits I had abandoned. Reading, journaling, improving my routine, sleeping on time, working on my dreams. I didn't force discipline. It came naturally because my brain wasn't drained anymore. For the first time in a long time, I felt in control. Day 28 through 30. The breakthrough. The last few days weren't a struggle. They were a realization. I understood something important. Quitting that habit wasn't about avoiding desire. It was about choosing myself. It was about self-respect. It was about stopping the cycle of guilt. It was about taking my energy back. I finally saw who I could become without the thing that was silently draining me. What changed after 30 days? After 1 month, more confidence, more energy, better focus, less anxiety, higher self-esteem, stronger discipline, better social presence, a clearer mind, real motivation. But the biggest change? I finally felt proud of myself again. Final message. If you feel stuck, drained, or trapped in that habit, give yourself 30 days. Not for perfection, not for a streak, but to see the strongest version of you. The version that's been buried under guilt and temporary pleasure. 30 days can change your life. It changed mine.